Welcome to Lesson 2 in Module 3. Today we are going to talk all about self-compassion versus self-justification. They are two very different things that can often get paired together. A huge part of self-compassion is doing everything you can to make yourself the best you possibly can. Self-compassion does not teach us to sit around and do nothing. It teaches us that we have talents to share, that we are worth so much, and that we can do anything that we set our minds to. The ultimate form of self-compassion is to take that gift and use it to make yourself the best you possibly can. Beliefs are at the core of everything you do. They create your feelings, which then create your actions. So, if you have strong beliefs and values regarding self-compassion and respect, then those beliefs will shape your feelings. We know that our thoughts and our feelings often lead to our actions. For example, if you have a core belief that you are worthy of obtaining any dream you seek, then your feelings will likely be ones of positivity, inspiration, and aspiration. When you feel confident, you are more likely to pursue your dreams, and your actions will be in line with the dreams that you desire. As you develop your self-compassion, you will develop a strong belief system in yourself and all that you can accomplish. And you will know that you are worthy of everything you desire. Let's take a look at self-justification, or the justification or excusing of oneself or one's actions. Justification does not help you progress in any way. Next time you find yourself wanting to justify, try thinking about what behaviors you could change to improve yourself. Let's take a look at a couple examples. So instead of saying, "I've had a hard day and I deserve that whole box of cookies. Who cares about my goals to get healthier? This is just who I am, I guess. I'll never lose the weight." Maybe you can try something like, "Hey, I've had a hard day. I really want a cookie. But I have a goal I want to reach and I'm doing really well. Instead, I'm just going to go on a walk, listen to my favorite podcast that lifts my spirit, and then if I get back and still want a cookie, I'll eat just one and enjoy it." Here's another example. It's going to be another late night. Missing a few days of my morning exercise is totally fine. I can reach my goals later. Instead, maybe you'll want to try this out. I've missed several days already. I'm going to try and finish up my work 30 minutes sooner and go to bed. If I'm tired tomorrow, I will go easy on myself and do what I can of my exercises. I'm going to try my hardest to make bedtime a priority because I know how good exercise makes me feel. Okay, one more example. I've never really been a good-looking person. I'm just a plain Jane. That's who I am. Why bother trying to look good? Instead, maybe you could say, "I actually have some really great qualities. I have pretty long hair. I think I will start curling it each day to make me feel more confident. I also have a lot of cute clothes that I never wear. I'm going to put some outfits together right now." Here's a simple action item for you this week. I want you to choose a behavior that you struggle with and often justify not doing, and then speak kindly to yourself and make a plan to resolve in that one area. As you go along, start to notice your justification talk and do exactly what you do with self-compassion. Notice it, and then replace it with kind and encouraging words.